everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aislinn, back at it again with another video. As you can see by today's title and setting, we are doing something completely off realm. I'm going to be making pasta for you guys on camera today because I have been posting my food on Instagram lately on my stories. If you're not following me, make sure you do. All my socials are down below. But I have been posting all of my food and everyone's been asking me for the recipes. So here I am today to make you guys my pasta that I made the other day. So I'm going to put my hair up because I absolutely hate cooking or eating with my hair in my face. So that's what we're gonna do right now. What I'm gonna be making today is basically just like a rosé spaghetti. So I have these spaghetti noodles. I have some water on the stove right now. Okay, so honestly, I don't even really know what I'm doing, and whenever I cook things, I don't know what I'm doing. I just wing it. So the fact that everyone's asking me for the recipe is like kind of jokes because I don't have a recipe. I just made it. The first time that I made it was that day. So I'm just gonna try to remember what I did, and I think this time I'm gonna add chicken because last time I only did shrimp. I cut up some onion. I'm just taking like just a little portion of the onion, however much you want, and I'm just going to chop it up. I am not a chef. I do not know how to cut foods properly. Please don't come for me in the comments. I don't want to hear it. I already know. Okay? I don't want to see it. I basically just started cooking because this is the first time living on my own, and I didn't want to starve to death or waste all my money on fast food. So I kind of just remembered what like my parents, my grandparents kind of showed me, or like just from me watching them in the kitchen. And then I watch a lot of tasty videos. Tasty, if you watch this video, I love you. And if you watch this video, I might pass it. But anyways, if you guys don't watch tasty videos, I'll link them down below because they give me like a lot of ideas, and honestly like they just have a lot of cool segments. So go check them out. Not sponsored. Wish it was. So we have all of our onions chopped. I am actually gonna chop up some garlic too. I like to use fresh garlic, 2 fresh cloves typically. And let me know if you guys like this video. If you do, you already know, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, please tell me and I will never do this again because honestly I don't know what I'm doing. And if you do like me and you enjoy watching me possibly burn my house down, then subscribe to my channel. So when I cut my garlic, I don't know if you guys can even see what I'm doing because I'm a terrible YouTuber. Also, chicken in a bag. So I kind of just peel it, and then I'll take this part of the knife and I kind of just smash it down. It kind of helps the peel come off a little bit easier and gets you ready to chop it up, you know? Just cut the ends off and then smush it. Very satisfying sound. This pasta serving will serve 2 people. Okay, so now I'm just gonna chop this up like really, really fine. I just pray every time I cut things that I don't slide my finger off in the process because no one wants that. And you also, like when you're cooking garlic, you don't want to let the pan get too hot with the oil because garlic burns very quickly, and burnt garlic is not delicious. Now that I have those 2 things chopped up, I'm just gonna put them into our larger frying pan. So I'm gonna put salt and pepper. Don't be stingy on the seasonings. Do not. This is all just to taste, by the way, so like however much you like, put it. And then lots of garlic powder. Garlic powder, I use this one. Y'all can't even see it. I use this one. It's Clubhouse. Salt and pepper, regular. And then this shit, secret weapon. You're welcome. Clubhouse, please sponsor me. Hello, focus. Okay, so this spice, I actually put this on everything. Literally everything that you can put a spice on, this is what I put on. So this is Italiano spice, and this is from Clubhouse. Clubhouse, please send me unlimited of these for, thank you. So I just put that, so much of that, everywhere. So I usually buy frozen shrimp. So this time I got this bag, and this one comes with sauce in it, which I don't know if I'm gonna use that today or not, so let's see what happens. I just love the smell of like fresh garlic and onions cooking. It smells so good. These don't look like they come with the tail, which is really nice. This is the sauce. I actually think this might be good. It's like a lemon and garlic, so I think I'm gonna use half of it today, and I'm actually gonna put it into the pasta. Right now, while these are cooking in here, I am going to take about half the bag and just dump it. As soon as these start cooking up a little bit more, I'm gonna add half of the sauce. I do have another little pan in the back here getting kind of hot. So I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. And I do already have oil in it, and this is gonna be for our chicken breast. I'm only gonna do 1 because I am putting shrimp in there, but I just wanted a little bit more sustenance because number 1, I'm starving, and number 2, I'm starving. And I like chicken, so. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the chicken breast and I'm gonna put it on the cutting board. I like to do this part separately from everything else, just because you don't want to contaminate your other foods. So yeah, just make sure you're really careful with cleaning your stuff afterwards and before and whatever else, you know. So personally, I'm gonna kind of just chop it on the cutting board in like bigger chunks, because I kind of want more like clumps of chicken. That sounds gross. I don't know. Like chunks of chicken, yeah. I feel like it's easier cutting it when it's raw versus when it's cooked, personally. So I'm just gonna cut this up and then throw it into the pot, or the pan, I should say. And then I'll season it when it's all in there. If I'm just cooking like a regular chicken breast, I'll usually season it, marinate it, and everything before I cook it. But now that all of our chicken is chopped, we're just gonna take it and throw it in the pan. Already doing a moment. I'm just gonna wash these. And the water is boiling, so I am gonna add my pasta. About half a box. Some people break their noodles. I don't like to, because I like it, you know? That sounded terrible. I might cut that. Okay, about half the box. And then I kind of just drop them in the pot. Okay, so I just covered my chicken right now. And my shrimp is actually getting nice. Noodles are boiling. And I am boiling the noodles like on a higher heat as well. I hope this video is not absolute ass. Okay, I'm gonna kind of show you guys. This is what the shrimp is looking like. It is looking delish. So now I did thoroughly wash the knife and cutting board because it did have chicken on it. So I'm just gonna take the chicken off the heat because it's pretty much cooked right now, and it's gonna cook a little bit more when it goes into the actual sauce. I'm just putting it on the back burner right now. The shrimp is cooking up nicely in the garlicky, buttery, yummy goodness. I'm gonna put the colander in the sink to get ready for the noodles. And this is probably my favorite part of the whole thing, parsley. This is my secret ingredient pretty much in everything. I put on my eggs, in my hash browns, in all my pastas. It's just fabulous, to be honest. It's a great garnish, but it's just a beautiful taste. I love parsley. I'm just cutting all of the little leaves off of the parsley stems, and then I'm just gonna chop it up nice and small. No rhyme or reason. If you're a chef, God bless you, and I'm sure that you're amazing at chopping this, and I give you props, but I'm not there yet. I just put that to the side for now. That's gonna go in kind of towards the end. Shrimp is looking good. It's getting pink. So basically it starts off kind of like a brownish color, and then it goes pink when it's ready. Just gonna cover the noodles, stir around the shrimp just a little bit more. Not everyone's perfect, folks, okay? If you ever boil noodles, you know the struggle. Unless you're not like me and you are perfect, I don't know. Okay, shrimp is pretty much done. Now for like the main part, which is gonna be the sauce. So I really like the classical sauce. I don't even want to put you guys on to this because it's never available already. This is the sauce. This is the Rosee one. Me and my best friend are obsessed with this. So delicious. I'm gonna use about half the jar. I love the Alfredo one too, but they also never had that, so this was the last one. I snatched it. God bless. I'm pretty much gonna add half the pack of this. I don't even know if this is good. We're winging this together, guys. It smells good. It's lemon garlic, so it has to be good, right? I'm just gonna add the chicken into our shrimp mix. Then I'm gonna add the sauce. Save the rest for the rest of the shrimp. I'm gonna add about half the jar of this right away. It's thick as. Woo! Just gonna mix it all up. This looks and smells so good. Oh my. The Rosee, I don't even know really what kind of sauce it is, but it is so yummy. All right, so now I'm actually just gonna turn it up to like about 8. And put the lid on it so that it boils up a little bit, and I'm gonna check our noodles and see what's going on. So the way that you find out if your noodles are done is simply taste it. Oh no, she's got more time. It's very al dente. We don't want that. This is looking nice, yes. So I'm gonna let this go for another like minute or so on 8, and then I'm gonna turn it back down to low. I'm gonna add most of the parsley to it, and then keep a little bit for garnish. And during this time, I kind of clean up a little bit, you know? So now I'm turning it back down to 2. Just to kind of let it chill for a little bit. That tastes so good. Holy. Okay. I might actually cook some garlic bread to go along with it, but it's nothing crazy. I literally just buy the box garlic bread. I'll show you guys. Nothing crazy. I'm not a chef, like I said. 420. Blaze it. Ah. Yeah, so it's good. So once you start to like basically run the spatula through the pan, and you can see that it separates a little bit, then you know it's a good consistency. I know I'm not the pasta bitch guy, but I wish I was. I'm gonna dump out the noodles. You always want to pour the water away from you. And what you want is no stickage. Okay, beautiful, excellent. I'm gonna add most of the parsley into this pan. And I'm just gonna mix it all up. With this particular pasta, I actually mix it in together, but some people like to serve theirs with like dry noodles and then the pasta sauce on top of it, but I like it all mixed together. So it's evenly coated. Some people run water on their pasta. I don't do that because natural starches on the pasta help the sauce stick. So I'm gonna dump the noodles back into the pot. Now I'm just gonna take all this sauce and dump it into the pot. So now I'm just gonna stir it all up, incorporate all the sauce with the noodles. We're done. So now, plating. Okay, so this is what the pasta looks like. I have a cameraman, God bless. So I'm just gonna plate it up right now. Oh my God. Oh, you can get a little twisty on there if you want to get fancy. You know I'm not fancy. That actually looks like shit. But the pasta looks and smells amazing, you guys. Comment down below if you guys end up trying this recipe and send me pictures because I would love to see if you guys actually tried it and if you liked it. Obviously the garlic bread will be on the side. I will take a picture of it when it's all finished with the bread and I'll insert it here. But I just take a little bit of leftover parsley and I just, you know, salt bay it on there. And bon appetit. There it is. So that is it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, all that jazz, and comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this from me. And also if you don't, and if you think, what the hell are you doing? But yeah, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoy it. That's it, that's all. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.